Today I'm going to show you how to find low-key websites to manual source on, because if you didn't know, one of the key of finding low competition products is finding those low-key websites. If you source products on the front page of Walmart, you are of course going to have more competition because more people are going to find those leads. Does not mean that you cannot make great money, because I purchase a lot of product actually from big websites, but I have a whole catalog of smaller websites that I found throughout the weeks, throughout the months by doing stuff. And I'm going to show you what stuff you can do to find those websites. So the first thing you can do is actually do more reverse sourcing. So if you do more reverse sourcing, let's get into the computer right now. Do not stay surface level. Go deep and dig to try to find the product. So I told you, if you do not find the product right there on the first search, result, keep digging, and you are gonna not only there on Google Shopping, but also on the front page. You can look a little bit deeper than usual. Sometimes you are gonna find, not all the time, but sometimes you are gonna find websites that you don't know. So here's a couple of examples. So we are, let's just say we are looking for this Fenty Beauty liquid lipsticks, whatever. I found those two websites by running this search, and I wanted to show you something really important. So when you find a small website, do not order directly from them, because it can be some people running some scams. So always check on Trustpilot. It's really easy to do that if you have Ace Gadget. Ace Gadget is a good tool. I use it every day. You just click on Ace Gadget, and you can go right there and go to Trustpilot. When you're on the website, okay, I can see that this website, Harvey Nichols, does not have that good, of reviews. They have bad reviews, basically, okay? But when you read them, it's like a lot of those websites, sometimes those websites will have bad reviews, but it's more about their physical store. No. Harvey Nichols is a legit business. It's just in the UK. So it's probably going to be expensive to ship the products, but this is how you can find those products. Now, I have another example for you guys. This website is a total scam, okay? So, wait, is it? Well, I don't know if it's a scam. More time than not, if the website is on Top Cashback or Rakuten, it's not going to be a scam. Well, this is my thought process. No, it could be. So let's check once again Ace Gadget. Let's check Trustpilot, and if you do not have, well, it seems like it's a verified company and no customer service, so it's really hard to get with. Like, it can be difficult on some websites. Now, you may always try with small quantities if you want to try, but always do your due diligence and check if it's a legit website and what can happen if you purchase. If you see that their delivery time is long, whatever, they have bad reviews for that, but you still may get the product, you can go ahead with them. It may just take you a little bit longer, but if you got a really good deal, it may be good. Now, this is not the only way you can find small websites to source from. So another way is, let's stick with Fenty Beauty. If you sell a lot of products from one brand, always actually check the website's brand directly. Okay, so this is fentybeauty.com. If you source products from Fenty Beauty, they have a website. Why not go on there? This is one website you can add to your catalog, to the websites you check every single day or on a weekly basis, whatever, to see if they have promotion and stuff. By the way, always sign up for all those websites that you find. Sign up for the newsletter, just to receive the promotion, just in case they're on a promotion and you do not go to their websites to try to find them. Just set up a burner email. Set up casual emails also. Check out, I have a whole video on that. But yeah, do that. And I will show you. So look, when you go on specific brands websites, always go where, if you want to source, if you want to like learn the brand, always go to try to find products under MSRP. Do not look for products at MSRP because most of the time it's just not going to be profitable. But so the first thing you should check is really the sales and the bundles and any other ways they could have products under promotion under MSRP. With bundles, most of the times when you buy products in bundles, like in gift sets, whatever, it's gonna be cheaper. When you break the set, it's gonna be cheaper than if you were to buy the product directly, if you were to buy the product at MSRP. So check that, check the sales, so pretty easy to find. Should I show you that? Yeah, I guess I'm gonna show you. The sales are right there. Always check if they have gift sets. So yeah, they do have gift set. Check that. Value set plus vaults. Check them all. I've never sourced on Fenty Beauty, so I have no idea if you can actually find something, but I guess check it out. You cannot scan it with any. And by the way, also, I need to add this. If you are scanning on a big website, if you are scanning a big website, always check quickly at a glance if there's products that are not gonna get recognized with tools. So gift sets are products that cannot be scanned because you need to see what is exactly on the gift set and check all the product manually. So for example, let's say you are sourcing at Sephora, like a makeup brand, a makeup store. Check all the gift sets on the page that you scan. Check all the gift sets because people not like, if you do not do it manually, you are not gonna find those deals. So this is what you should do. And this is another way to find low-key websites. Fenty Beauty is not a low-key website, but a lot of people are not going to look through it because you can just not scan it with softwares. And I'm sorry, I'm drinking a little coffee. So you can just not scan it with software. Most people are lazy. So do that and you're going to find a few leads. No, this is not the end of the story. This is not the only way. I know a lot of you guys are saying that you need to be able to find more websites, but if you checked all the websites on Tactical Arbitrage, I highly doubt it. If you did you really go through the 500 websites on Tactical Arbitrage? Go through them, try to understand which website is, what type of deal is on which websites, what you can find on somewhere on those websites. Not only that, but once you've done that and you want to find website you can manual source, also check all the other tools you use. So by tools you use, I mean Rakuten, Top Cashback, Raise.com if you buy a gift card. Check all the websites that are on Rakuten. So you can do this by going to categories, see all stores, or if there's a category you like, let's say you like beauty, just go to beauty and scroll through the stores. So right now I am in I have no idea on which category I am. Okay, here you go. So right here we have all the stores. Let's say I really like to sell toys and games. I'll go to that category and I'll go through all the websites, see if there's new websites. For example, KiwiCo, I have no idea what this website is. I have no idea what they sell. I may check these websites and same thing. So you know what? I'll do it with you. I'll do the same thing on Top Cashback. I'll check all those websites. Do I know those websites? I don't. Some of them I don't. For example, MyProtein. I made so much money with MyProtein because nobody was sourcing it, but they do send IP complaints. So it's not an IP complaint. They do send IP complaints, so do not fall in the trap. But this is a brand with which I made a lot of money, and most people do not source it because they just don't know this brand, right? Because it's not on Tactical Arbitrage, it's not on all those tools, right? So always go the extra mile. What I'm trying to say is try to find places where on the tools you use, tools that you trust, try to see what websites they support. And if they support a website, this is potentially a website you can source from, right? So yeah, we were going to check KiwiCo, right? So let's do it. KiwiCo. Let's see. Yeah, by the way, same thing with Raise.com. Check all the websites where you can find gift cards, and if you want to do it like really effectively, like you can sort by discount. Check the biggest discount first. So this is only gonna be video games. So, And the radar image gift, maybe you can do something with the radar shop, I don't know. But yeah, 20%, you can get over 20% on Nutrisystem. Is that something that you can source? I don't know this website. But you get the idea. Check all the websites. And let's go back to KiwiCo to see how I will go about potentially sourcing this website. So it looks like it's a subscription box thing, so it's gonna be kind of hard to source. But you never know. Go through the subscription box, check. You never know. Maybe the subscription box sells on Amazon and you can make money on that. So you never know. Check. And this is how you would find low-key websites. I hope it was helpful. I'll release another video tomorrow on how to actually get better at reverse sourcing. So if you are watching this video the day it release, this is another video you can check. If not, check out this other video on how to get better at reverse sourcing. I'll see you tomorrow.